My name is Maggie Dickens. I am an LPC, LCDC out in the burbs of Houston, Texas. And I'm going to take just a few minutes to invite you and tell you why you should attend an amazing and wonderful and beneficial workshop that's coming up. So let me just take a look at my notes right here because I want to make sure that I give you correct information. So I'm talking about the 2020 American Society of Clinical Hypnosis, ASH for short, the 62nd ASCH-ERF annual scientific meeting and workshops. So it's going to be held March 19th through 22nd. It's going to be in Reno, Lake Tahoe. How gorgeous, how beautiful. When you want to stay a couple of extra days or come a couple days early and have a nice relaxing time before learning a bunch of information, I think that's what I'm going to do. The topic of the entire workshop is igniting the fire, the nuances of creativity and flow in hypnotic applications, research, education, and application. So why should you come, especially if you've never attended a workshop before? That's what I want to spend the next, hopefully 3 to 5 minutes discussing. So why attend a level 1 workshop on clinical hypnosis and what you should expect at the workshop? What are the benefits of attending and learning this tool, the benefits to you and to your practice and your career? And then why attend this annual workshop in Reno, Lake Tahoe with the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis? I'm going to shrink it down as quickly as I can. So just be aware that everything that I'm saying has a lot more information that I'm happy to share with you. I will be one of the co-chairs of the level 1 in Reno, Lake Tahoe this March, along with one of my favorite people in the world, Lane Wagman. He is a psychologist out on the East Coast. About everything that I'm going to go over. But I'm inviting you, so I'm going to tell you why all of this is a great idea, right? So first, why get trained? And I guess maybe I should actually back that up and say, who should attend? And the short answer is everybody, right? The more detailed answer is if you identify as a helping professional, if you've got a helper's heart, if you are an MD, a DO, a nurse practitioner, a physician's assistant, if you're an LPC, LCSW, LMFT, all of us, NCC, right? And everyone that I forgot, all of us, and everyone that I forgot, yeah, chiropractors and ophthalmologists and dentists and everybody else. I probably still forgot people. And if you're looking to add one tool that can then grow into many, many tools to help you help your patients and clients even more, that's who should come to these workshops. And why? So I've already mentioned one reason. One is that learning clinical hypnosis in this fundamental, this foundational level 1 training helps you gain some really, really beneficial tools that the more you learn about, come to more trainings, do the research, do the readings, meet with people in your area, do individualized consultation with. You take this one tool and it just continues to grow and grow and grow. I think about it like a dandelion, right? And it can just kind of spread throughout your practice before you even know it. Because I'm so excited about this information, and I find that the people that I'm working with also get really, really excited about it. So that's what to expect. Expect yourself to have this anticipation, to want to get started on that Thursday, and then kind of see yourself go through a roller coaster of being exhausted, feeling as if your brain just can't get any more information, and then somehow you pack in even more. Expect to practice, have ample amount of time, and by the end, by Sunday, you will have already conceptualized 1 to 2 to 3 to 10 people that you're going to use this tool with. And you've worked through that, created a small treatment plan in your head of how to help them even more, right? How is this going to benefit your practice? Well, most of the people that I know, including myself, that are ASH members and ASH trained, we find that we're getting a reputation for great outcomes and for using clinical hypnosis, and is why come to an ASH training? Why come to Reno Lake Tahoe for this 60-second annual workshop, right? In March. ASH is ASH's level 1 training has gone through a thorough overhaul. And although we have been the gold standard forever, we have even upped our game even more. And we're providing up-to-date research and have developed this just over 20 hours of training to help you be confident walking out the door, to help you know how to utilize this tool, right? So you are coming because this tool can help you in medical and behavioral health settings. It can help with sleep, and it can help with habit disorders. There's research talking about its use with pain management and irritable bowel syndrome, right? So all of these interventions, and you're learning how to address within your scope, within your profession, and within your niche, how to use clinical hypnosis. And who knows, you may find that after this training that you really want to start. So who should come? Pretty much anybody listening to me right now, and who made it all the way through. And there's some basic information. If you are a helper, if you've been in a graduate program, or if you're currently in your graduate program, just shoot me out an email or go to the website, click below, get all that information. What are you going to get, right? So why come? And what are you going to get? You're going to get all this information and all this practice time to have a tool to use after 20 hours starting right away. How cool, right? And then you have an opportunity to be part of this community to continue to grow those skills and to become a bigger and bigger expert in your area, right? Which will then help you build your practice. And then why Reno Lake Tahoe? I mean, why not? It's beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful time of the year. So Google tells me. And I would love to meet you. I would love to work with you. I really, really love this tool. It has helped my practice so much. And I really want everyone who can, because I use it personally. It has helped me personally, and it has helped the people that I work with in really dramatic ways, more than I had ever imagined when I first walked into my very first training out in San Antonio. So I look forward to seeing you in Reno Lake Tahoe, and get those registrations in, and get your hotel room booked. All right.